Exciting news! The Indian Institute of Technology (IIT) is set to open a new campus in the United Arab Emirates, specifically in Khalifa City B, Abu Dhabi. Yes, you heard that right. UAE will soon be home to the 24th IIT campus, expanding the prestigious network beyond India's 23 IITs. This decision was finalized during a virtual meeting between India and the UAE, marking a significant step forward in their collaborative efforts, especially in fields like electronics and automobile engineering. The UAE, aiming to diversify its economy beyond oil, recognizes the value of innovation and technology, and partnering with IIT is a strategic move. Indian Institute of India (IIT) was set up by the Government of India to provide trained technical personnel of international class to the nation. The first IIT was set up in Kharagpur, West Bengal in 1950 and it became operational on August 18, 1951. IIT Bombay was set up in 1958 with the assistance of the Soviet Union. The IIT Madras was set up in 1959 with the assistance of Germany, IIT Kanpur in 1959 with the help of the United States and IIT Delhi in 1961 with the United Kingdom. The sixth IIT was established in Guwahati in 1994. At present there are 23 IITs at Delhi, Kanpur, Kharagpur, Madras, Guwahati, Roorkee, Hyderabad, Patna, Bhubaneswar, Ropar, Jodhpur, Gandhinagar, Indore, Mandi, Varanasi, Tirupati, Palakkad, Goa, Jammu, Dharwad, Dhanbad and Bhilai. The Institutes of Technology Act of 1961 governs the IITs in India. The Act defines them as the institutions of national importance. The Act makes IITs an autonomous institute under the Union Ministry of Education and lays down their powers, duties, framework for governance, etc. Our IIT-ians have consistently demonstrated excellence on the global stage, making this new branch in Dubai a milestone achievement. It's clear that this collaboration will play a vital role in shaping the future. If you enjoyed this update, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel to stay informed. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.